Hi, I'm back with head number 2. It's so easy. You can use Play-Doh or you can use clay. This is what you do. Just get your ball. Just make a nice ball. Stick your thumb in the middle. Make sure it's nice and tight. Put your feet up, relax. Find out where your front of your face is. I'm going to say it's here. And you squeeze, get the nose, squeeze the nose up. Yep. Pull out the eyes. Get some eyebrows going. Don't forget the nostrils. You gotta breathe. And just open up the mouth. Pull out the bottom lip. Push in for the bottom lip. You make them happy, sad, whatever. Mean, angry. Hey, you guys, and you. Hey, give them cheekbones. Yeah. Give them a little chin. Yeah. Oh, what's the matter? Oh, he's not happy. Well, let's give him some ears. Just pull out the ear like that. Really nice. Yeah. And with the other ear. Like so. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, I heard you. Oh, nice guy. And you can give them eyeballs if you want. First, let's give him a little eyebrow action. And just roll it out like that. That's too bad. And eyeballs. That's not hard. Just take a little ball, a little eye, a little white. Yeah, right. Just gotta roll it around. Take a little black. Get the pupil like that. Squish that on like that. See? And then take your guy. Open up his eye. Let's take it in. Might have to make it a little oblong. Get it in there. Yeah. There you go. I can see. Take the other guy. The other ball. Just roll it around. Get a little black. Stick it on like that. Blink. Roll it around. Yeah. Her head is so easy. Alright, open that up. Boop, boop, boop. Stick it in. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, well. See, yeah, she's just gonna get some hair. I think a little. I think she deserves some hair. Give her some hair. Alrighty. Yeah, that's just how easy. Now you get the ears going. A little pull, a little twirl, a little tug. And tuck that in. Yeah. And there he is. Another happy but disturbed individual, as is common around where I live. In Queens, New York. Many disturbed people here. Emotionally disturbed, like this guy. Hey. And here he is, folks. Another head. Add to my vast collection of heads. Yeah. Yeah, why don't we take a look at some of my other heads right now? Yeah. Let's visit with some. They all get along. Yeah, that was fun. Until next time, this is Arthur Robin saying, have fun with Play-Doh.